So this morning, I ended up making $612 trading ES in the futures market. So I'm going to show y'all exactly what I did. On the 5 minute time frame, one of the first things that I saw was that price was in a downtrend. And so I mentioned that I want to overall be a seller, but I may have to be a counter trend trader first. So when I first got on, none of this information was here, only this hammer candlestick. So we got to drop down to the 1 minute time frame so I can show y'all exactly what happened. So in the 1 minute time frame, I was looking to see if price could continue to push up, but it did not. And so I sat on my hands because I really wanted to see if we would get some momentum. So then what I saw was that price ended up making a new low. And so I was telling my students who were on with me, I said, hey, listen, price could continue to go up from here. It will first have to clear 52.46. Now, technically on the 1 minute time frame, this is price being in a downtrend, is continuing this downtrend momentum. As you can see, we got all of this momentum on ES this morning. And I said, listen, this is just what could happen, okay? So I'm well aware that yes, price is continuing down. There is the potential that price could continue down, but there's a stronger potential that price is going to continue to go up because we just keep noticing this same thing keeps happening. It's like a reversal, right? So I said, listen, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a quick sell. We're just going to fill this market out. And so I ended up getting into a sell here. Really quick sell, just going right back to the downside. Okay. So once price started to move and it was starting to go in my favor, I just moved the stop loss down a little bit so I can only lose $50 on this trade, right? With the potential to make over $300. So I got stopped out, but I was already prepared to get stopped out. So it's just filling the market to see what I want to do because the trade could have worked too. But then the market made a quick move up. It made a new high. And I said, okay, I'm going to go ahead and get long. So I did get long. And now remember what I told y'all, the 5 minute is trending, right? So let's go back up to the 5 minute time frame. I said, okay, I'm going to get long to the bottom of this hammer. And obviously, if price hits the hammer, I'm going to be out of the trade. So I ended up going long based on the 1 minute low. And I ended up going long, and then I took profit on this trade. So I made my $50 back, and I made a little bit of my profits that I lost from yesterday. I made that back up. I made some of it back up, not all of it. So then we see price start to continue down. Y'all, by literally a point or two again, just like yesterday, I see a trend now, but just like yesterday, price did not trigger me into my trade. Instead, price started to go back down. So I did not have a trade there. But then price makes this new low, which is right here. So I told the members again, like, hey, if I see bullish momentum, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm just going to go ahead and enter the trade. Okay, let's go back down to the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute time frame, I saw this hammer. I said, okay, I'm letting y'all know now that if price shows me a bullish sign that it wants to go back up, I'm going to take the trade. So I ended up buying. My stop went right here below the low, and then my TP went back up to here. All right below this low, okay? Same way I trade everything else. So that's what I did, and I really want to see if price could clear this hammer here. Mr. Hammer, right? And if it did, I would feel a little bit more confident to stick to my trade. And so I didn't hold the trade going all the way back up. I exit the trade about here. So I got about 9 points out of the market, $450. That helped make up for my loss yesterday and put me ahead in my account. Again, I'm happy about how this went down. So yeah, I only risked on this one. I believe it was $87 to gain $450. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy about how today went. These were 2 quick counter trend trades. Could have been more taking this trend trade. But literally, y'all, like my entry for this was up to here. And y'all, it was so close again. So close to trigger me in, but it did not. But I will take my profits for today. So this is how it went. And I mean, we had interesting conversations. You know, trading today, but we were done by like, what time were we done by? Done by 10:23, 10:24. Not a bad day. Not a bad day. So yeah, that's how this went, y'all. If y'all have any questions, drop them below and let me know. I'm happy that it was a profitable day. I pray tomorrow it's just as profitable. If not, it's okay. We can always make the money back. But yeah, y'all take care and y'all be blessed. I'll see y'all tomorrow.